Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of data visualization. In our data-driven age, making sense of complex information is more important than ever. Data visualization is the art and science of turning raw numbers into visual stories, helping us see patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're a business analyst, a student, or just curious, understanding these techniques can empower you to make better decisions and communicate more effectively. Let's explore how the right visuals can transform your data into something meaningful and actionable. Do we need to visualize data? Simply put, our brains process visuals much faster than text or numbers. Charts, graphs, and maps help us quickly grasp complex information, spot trends, and identify outliers. Visualization makes data accessible to a wider audience, breaking down barriers between technical experts and non-technical stakeholders. By presenting data visually, we can tell compelling stories, support arguments, and drive informed decision. In the next scenes, we'll look at the most effective techniques to bring your data to life. Our charts are one of the most common and straightforward ways to visualize data. They use rectangular bars to represent values, making it easy to compare different categories side by side. Bar charts are ideal for showing changes over time, differences between groups, or ranking items. Whether you're tracking sales by region or survey responses, bar charts provide a clear visual comparison that's easy to interpret at a glance. Line charts are perfect for displaying trends over time. By connecting data points with lines, these charts reveal patterns, fluctuations, and long-term movements in your data. They're commonly used for tracking stock prices, website traffic, or temperature changes. Line charts make it easy to spot upward or downward trends, seasonal cycles, and sudden spikes, helping you understand how things evolve over time. Pie charts are a classic way to show proportions and percentages within a whole. Each slice represents a category's contribution, making it easy to see which parts are largest or smallest. While pie charts are visually appealing, they work best with a limited number of categories. Too many slices can make them hard to read, so use them when you want to highlight a few key segments. Scatter plots are powerful tools for exploring relationships between two variables. Each point on the chart represents a data pair, allowing you to see correlations, clusters, and outliers. Scatter plots are often used in scientific research, economics, and business analytics to uncover patterns that aren't obvious in raw data tables. They're especially useful when you want to see if one variable affects another. Histograms help you understand the distribution of numerical data. By grouping values into bins and displaying the frequency of each bin, histograms reveal the shape, spread, and central tendency of your data. They're commonly used in statistics to analyze exam scores, ages, or any continuous variable. Histograms make it easy to spot skewness, gaps, and unusual patterns in your dataset. Heat maps use color to represent values, making it easy to spot patterns, concentrations, and anomalies. They're widely used in website analytics to show where users click most, or in biology to visualize gene expression. By translating numbers into color gradients, heat maps quickly draw attention to areas of interest, helping you focus on what matters most in your data. When your data has a geographic component, maps are the go-to visualization. From simple location markers to complex choropleth maps, visualizing data on a map helps you understand spatial patterns and regional differences. Maps are essential for fields like logistics, marketing, and public health, where location-based insights can drive important decisions. Dashboards bring multiple visualizations together in one place, offering a comprehensive overview of your data. They combine charts, graphs, and tables to provide real-time insights and track key metrics. Dashboards are widely used in business intelligence, project management, and operations, helping teams monitor performance and make quick decisions. Infographics blend data, visuals, and narrative to tell a story. They're designed to be engaging and easy to share, making complex information accessible to a broad audience. Infographics often combine charts, icons, and text to guide viewers through a topic step by step. They're perfect for marketing, education, and social media, where grabbing attention is key. Selecting the right chart is crucial for effective data visualization. The best choice depends on your data type and the story you want to tell. For comparisons, bar charts work well. For trends, line charts are ideal. Pie charts show proportions while scatter plots reveal relationships. Always consider your audience and the message you want to convey before picking a visualization technique. Color plays a powerful role in data visualization. It can highlight important data, group-related items, or signal warnings. However, too many colors can be distracting or confusing. Use color thoughtfully, stick to a consistent palette, ensure good contrast, and consider colorblind accessibility. The right use of color can make your visuals more effective and inclusive. Clear labels and annotations are essential for understanding your visuals. Titles, axis labels, and data points help viewers interpret the information quickly. Annotations can draw attention to significant trends or outliers. Avoid clutter by keeping labels concise and only highlighting what's most important. Well-placed labels make your data story easy to follow. When it comes to data visualization, less is often more. Simplicity helps your audience focus on the message without getting lost in unnecessary details. Avoid excessive decoration, 3D effects, or too many chart elements. A clean, straightforward design ensures your data stands out and your insights are clear. Interactive visualizations let users explore data on their own terms. Features like tooltips, filters, and zooming allow deeper investigation and personalized insights. Interactive dashboards are especially useful for business intelligence, where users need to drill down into specific details. Interactivity transforms static charts into dynamic tools for discovery. Great data visualization isn't just about showing numbers, it's about telling a story. By guiding viewers through a logical sequence, you can highlight key findings and lead them to meaningful conclusions. Storytelling techniques such as setting context, building suspense, and providing a clear takeaway make your visuals more memorable and persuasive. It's important to present data honestly. Misleading visuals like distorted axes, cherry-picked data, or deceptive color scales can confuse or misinform your audience. Always start axes at 0 when appropriate, use proportional scales, and provide context for your data. Ethical visualization builds trust and credibility. The quality of your visualization depends on the quality of your data. Always use reliable, up-to-date sources and document where your data comes from. Transparency about your data sources helps viewers assess credibility and understand any limitations. Good data leads to good visuals and better decisions. There are many tools available for creating data visualizations, from simple spreadsheet programs like Excel to advanced platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. The right tool depends on your needs, technical skills, and the complexity of your data. Experiment with different options to find what works best for you. Visualizations can be static or dynamic. Static visuals like printed charts or infographics are great for reports and presentations. Dynamic visuals such as interactive dashboards or animated charts allow users to explore data in real time. Each approach has its strengths. Choose based on your audience and the context in which your data will be used. Making your visualizations accessible ensures everyone can benefit from your insights. Use high-contrast colors, readable fonts, and alternative text for images. Consider colorblind-friendly palettes and provide data tables for screen readers. Accessibility isn't just good practice, it's essential for reaching the widest possible audience. Before you visualize, clean your data, remove duplicates, fix errors, and handle missing values. Clean data ensures your visuals are accurate and trustworthy. Skipping this step can lead to misleading or confusing charts, so always take time to prepare your data before creating any visualization. Aggregation means summarizing your data to make it easier to visualize. This might involve calculating averages, totals, or percentages. Aggregated data helps you focus on the big picture, making trends and patterns more apparent. Just be sure to explain how you've aggregated your data so viewers understand what they're seeing. Filtering allows you to focus on the most relevant data. By removing unnecessary details, you can highlight key insights and avoid overwhelming your audience. Filters are especially useful in dashboards and interactive visuals where users can select the data they want to see. Grouping data involves organizing it into categories or segments. This makes it easier to compare groups and spot differences or similarities. Grouping is often used in bar charts, pie charts, and stacked visuals. Clear groupings help your audience understand the structure of your data and draw meaningful conclusions. Sometimes, you want to draw attention to specific data points or trends. Highlighting uses color, size, or annotations to make important information stand out. This technique is especially useful in presentations where you want your audience to focus on the most critical insights. Comparing multiple data sets helps you see relationships and differences between groups. Use side-by-side bar charts, multi-line charts, or grouped scatter plots to visualize comparisons. This approach is valuable for understanding how different factors interact and for making data-driven decisions. Time series visualizations show how data changes over time. Line charts, area charts, and candlestick charts are common choices. These visuals help you identify trends, cycles, and anomalies, making them essential for financial analysis, forecasting, and monitoring performance. Visualizing distributions helps you understand the spread and shape of your data. Histograms, box plots, and violin plots are popular options. These charts reveal central tendencies, variability, and outliers, giving you a deeper understanding of your data's characteristics. Correlation visualizations show how two variables relate to each other. Scatter plots, correlation matrices, and bubble charts are effective tools. These visuals help you spot positive, negative, or no relationships, guiding further analysis and hypothesis testing. Hierarchical data can be visualized using tree maps, dendrograms, or sunburst charts. These techniques show how data is organized in levels, making it easy to understand parent-child relationships and the structure of complex systems. Hierarchical visuals are useful in organizational charts, file systems, and taxonomy studies. Network visualizations display relationships between entities such as social networks, communication flows, or transportation systems. Nodes represent entities while links show connections. These visuals help you understand how elements interact and identify key influencers or bottlenecks. Geospatial visualizations use maps and spatial data to reveal geographic patterns. Techniques include heat maps, choropleth maps, and point maps. These visuals are essential for urban planning, environmental studies, and market analysis, helping you see how location influences your data. Animated visualizations bring data to life by showing changes over time or transitions between states. Animation can highlight trends, illustrate processes, or make complex concepts easier to understand. Use animation sparingly to enhance your message without overwhelming your audience. Dashboards are not just for overviews, they're also powerful tools for ongoing monitoring. By displaying real-time data, dashboards help teams track performance, spot issues early, and respond quickly. Customizable widgets and alerts make dashboards adaptable to any business or research need. With more people accessing data on mobile devices, it's important to design visualizations that work well on small screens. Use responsive layouts, simple charts, and touch-friendly controls. Mobile-friendly visuals ensure your insights are accessible anytime, anywhere. Real-time data visualization lets you see what's happening as it unfolds. This is crucial for monitoring systems, financial markets, or live events. Real-time visuals require fast data processing and clear, up-to-date displays to support quick decision-making. Sometimes, standard charts aren't enough. Custom visualizations let you design unique graphics tailored to your specific data and audience. This might involve combining multiple chart types, creating new visual metaphors, or using advanced programming. Custom visuals can make your data stand out and tell a more compelling story. Let's recap the best practices for data visualization. Choose the right chart for your data, keep designs simple, use color wisely, and ensure accessibility. Always clean and prepare your data and be transparent about sources and methods. These principles will help you create visuals that are clear, honest, and impactful. Watch out for common pitfalls in data visualization, such as cluttered charts, misleading scales, or overuse of color. Avoid 3D effects that distort perception and always double-check your data for accuracy. By steering clear of these mistakes, you'll create visuals that inform rather than confuse. Studying great examples of data visualization can inspire your own work. Look at award-winning infographics, dashboards, and interactive charts from leading organizations. Analyze what makes them effective: clarity, creativity, and strong storytelling, and apply those lessons to your own projects. Data visualization is a skill that improves with practice and feedback. Share your visuals with others, gather input, and refine your approach. Stay updated on new tools, techniques, and trends to keep your skills sharp and your visuals fresh. There are many resources available to help you master data visualization. Online courses, books, blogs, and communities offer tutorials, inspiration, and support. Explore platforms like Coursera, DataCamp, and YouTube, and connect with other data enthusiasts to keep learning and growing. Congratulations, you've explored the essential techniques and best practices for data visualization. Remember, the goal is to make your data clear, compelling, and actionable. Keep experimenting, learning, and refining your skills. With the right approach, you can turn any dataset into a powerful visual story that drives understanding and action.